Ibondo man again my taking up on this video. The reason enjoy with this video is because they have a video officially coming from one Mazi Nnamdi Kanu directly. Also put out a statement from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nihe niile Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ku a message ozi ha ka ezie ụmụụwa. So ọ bụrụ na ịbụ a lover of ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-eme, ọ bụkwa na ịbụ his hater, biko dodo ka nna ya gị nene video nke ihe na-enwu. Pick the one you want to pick and run with it, because this is a valid raw video. It touch all angle in everything. Actually, me give the video away just like that, and give away like that, or you diminish the value of this message. So Ibolo lover and hater of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because kabaro in this video no ya balogul. You will not see senses in some of the things you could go na public. Then you will not know who and who you need to avoid. You will not know who and who you need to believe, because ekucha we kwa fascinatna. The one of the major things need he gave out, because before when I did the full video buna oku any other information will be officially communicated by his lawyers. After when these people on social media gudi Mazi say Mazi asero bikono also that any starting from now that anything obuna Ayeku will be communicated by his lawyer. And then now another person, Opolafa, which I actually mentioned the name on now for security reasons, based known to me. So because you didn't the video, these are the two people that can relate a message from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to you and to the public. And they also advise everybody in share news in that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say, you should desist from it, Kamala Ndanaya. Also, can with this video so that Kono Opuna, be a lover of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, pay attention to this valid point in this video. So Nenaya, Kiwelezanya give megene, Bala Muge Christmas. Always in any video, sometimes always use your head to understand the things. Don't just watch half video. Each and video, the Nilu Yanisi. Obo nature in any happier. Each and the video in any Nilu Yanisi, then each is there before you need the comment. Then one day I will once I know Hannah. Thank you for joining us in Kana. Onyajuka Wesenka, Kaimenka. How comment ya knows was Muwelia Wemegin. They will start running with that 1 minute, 2 seconds. Hanane. Nana hota, nene video nene yanis, so that in a kuku, ye mock any may proof an ABC where no ya, and an ABC where with the video. Nana hota, Kodokanum bosom. Bye.
All lovers of freedom, my name is Nnemeke Jofo. I am one of the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And my friend here, Patrick Agazie, also one of the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are in Sokoto State, where we had extensive discussion with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu concerning his appeal and other matters. He has information and directives to all of us of freedom. One is that from now henceforth, nobody should castigate the Directorate of State, otherwise known as the DOS. The DOS is his structure, his brainchild, and must be respected by all and sundry. He also directs that AVID, the Rising Sun, ambassadors of self-determination must be respected by all and sundry. He specifically mentioned the following persons: Dr. Sylvester Onyia, Evans Nwankwo, Maxwell Dede, who are his very close associates and leaders and members of the bodies mentioned above. He strongly directs that nobody should castigate members of his family from now henceforth. Whoever attacks the DOS, AVID, Rising Sun, ambassadors of self-determination, Dr. Sylvester Onyia, Evans Nwankwo, Maxwell Dede, or members of his family attacks Mazi Nnamdi Kanu personally, and such person will not be forgiven. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu equally directs that all must be at peace with each other, that this is a critical time for consolidation of all efforts to achieve the purpose of the struggle. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also states that he acknowledges the commitment and efforts of all the other groups who are too numerous to be mentioned. He acknowledges all your efforts, he appreciates all your effort, and asks that you all be focused and committed to the essence of the struggle. From now henceforth, anybody who comes to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is forbidden from making public broadcasts or discourse as to the outcome of their meetings. If he has a message, the message will be sent to whoever is directly affected. But for the purposes of making public statements, he has restricted it to his lawyers only, or a man powerful. He has also stated that nobody has ever paid money to see him from his inquiries, and that visiting him is not a money-making venture for anybody. Whoever wants to visit him should follow the established protocol of the Sokoto Correctional Facility, which is you bring your means of identification, your passport photograph, then you come to the Sokoto Correctional Center where you'll be given a form to fill, and with that form, the correctional facility officers will screen you and give to him for his final approval. He says that it is false and unfounded that people collect money to facilitate visitations, and that we should ask whoever has made that allegation how much such a person paid to see him. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu expresses disappointment that those who are supposed to foster harmony are sowing seeds of discord, that such persons should desist from such acts, as it is inimical to his stay in detention and inimical to the struggle. Anybody who comes to see him should, from now henceforth, cease making public broadcasts except you are his lawyer. He has directed that all must maintain decorum, must maintain unity of purpose, and must be focused on the purpose for which he is in detention. My friend Patrick Agazie will continue.
All right, thank you. And a quick one. In addition to the message already given, or the message is already given, MNK hereby directs that Lolo Nneka Chimezie ceases to make utterances about his person, about his detention, in general about his matter. MNK states that he gave no directions to her to make any public statement on his behalf. And MNK urges the public to discountenance the radio broadcast, press interview, and correspondences being issued by her. And again, it is unfounded that the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the special counsel, Aloy Ejinako, has turned the visitation of MNK to be transactional. Personally, MNK has conducted an investigation and found that to be false, as being peddled by a lot of people out there. This is an avenue to debunk such an unfounded allegation, and the propounders, as he has directed, should seek psychiatric examination, because there is an established protocol for visitation, which is administrative. If you comply with the protocol, you will see him. If you do not comply with the protocol, you will not see him. Thank you.